Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today we are checking out some jewelry. I figured with Valentine's Day coming up, this is the perfect topic to cover. And I was actually sent some pieces by a company called Otta Silver. This is a jewelry brand that is dedicated to providing high quality jewelry for men at low prices, which is something that we all appreciate. Who doesn't like affordable jewelry that's trendy, fun, and of course unique? And that's what Otta Silver provides, allegedly. We're gonna find out though. I'm gonna unbox this, we're gonna try out some jewelry, I'm gonna bring awareness to this brand, guys, and we're gonna have some fun. If you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Yes, I'm wearing the contacts again. Do not judge me. I'm having fun with these contacts, guys. I know they're a little creepy. They're blue, they're obnoxious. I look a little silly, perhaps scary, but what are you gonna do? I'm actually partnered with 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗓, so if you're looking for some fun contacts, these are affordable, fun. This brand is super reputable and they have awesome choices. I have a discount code as well, so if you want to grab yourself a pair for a discounted price, check out 𝗦𝗢𝗓. Totally worth it. But let's dive in, guys. Otta Silver, I was totally not aware of this brand, but they've reached out to me on Instagram and I figured, why not? Let's give them a shot. This is not a paid sponsorship, nor am I an affiliate. They do, on the other end, have a discount for you guys, 25% off if you like to fetch yourself a pair of rings, bracelets, necklaces, whatever you want from this brand. They have a whole lot to choose from. And honestly, they're super unique. Otherwise, I wouldn't have agreed to check out their stuff. So this is the packaging, and let's dive in, see what they sent my way. We have a box right here, very cool. This is the presentation, and this is actually what we call a shelf box or a bookcase box because it has a little lip right here that you pull out. So let's see what they sent my way. This is a really nice presentation. Their prices are very affordable, but they're still on the, in my opinion, luxury-esque side. So we have a little pouch right here, a card, and looks like a dust rag. We love that. This is great. This is honestly super cool for the whole price that you pay for this type of jewelry. I've worked with other jewelry brands that do not serve anything like this with the whole presentation of your pieces. This is a lot. I definitely appreciate it. So we have the bag right here, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure what they sent my way, so we're just gonna go for it and have fun. In fact, let's just, ooh, they are rings. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So these are sick. I'm not sure exactly what style rings these are, but this is a blue. Blue always catches my eye first, obviously. And it's gold. I'm honestly not the biggest gold fan. This is probably not even actually gold. This is probably plated to give that color. But anywho, gold is just something that I feel like doesn't go the best with my skin color. But I could be wrong. You be the judge of that. That fits amazing. Wow. Okay, that is pretty sick. So it's blue, it's giving me the heart of the ocean vibes. Totally appreciate that. This fits great. Let me just make sure. Oh, it does come off. I always freak out when it comes to rings because when I was little, I had a scare. The ring would not come off my finger. It was one of those gumball rings you get from the gumball machine. And yeah, I was stuck on. I was petrified. Obviously, I'm still scarred. So this is what the ring looks like on the inside. It definitely feels pretty well. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it, so weight is always important to me when it comes to accessories. Usually if they are a little heavier, it feels a little bit more luxurious, but again, you get what you pay for in most instances. Clearly I'm sick, guys. I'm just getting over being sick. My voice is gone. I sound like a freaking pubescent child, and yeah, we just got to deal with it. So it's pretty cool. I definitely appreciate the ring. This is a size 10, I believe. They asked me what size I am. I said between 10. Yeah, this is, I don't think it says. Doesn't say. But I said between 10 and 11. So I'm assuming one of those sizes. It does, on the other hand, say Otta on the inside and 925. I'm not sure if you could make that out in there, but Otta and 925. So not sure what that is, but cool. So that's the blue. Next up, we're moving on to, this is a purple, and purple is very pretty. It's not really a color that I wear, but it will definitely stick out for sure. So we love a statement piece. Ooh, and this is the silver. I love silver. So obviously, like, the diamond looking piece is a different shape than this one. I'm wondering what this is made out of. This is very unique. Also, I do notice that it's kind of like on the interior right there. You could see through it, which looks super pretty if you can like make that out. But there's like a flower on the inside that is very cool. But this one, it's the same size. Very sick. Like, that looks expensive. In my opinion, that definitely looks like an opulent piece. Like, this looks pricey. This one definitely is a lot more comfortable than the gold one is, I have to say. But yeah, that looks pretty sick. I love that. I absolutely love these pieces. Otta Silver, very under the radar. I highly recommend for you to check these out. I mean, they have a list of like beautiful pieces, guys. And if you're in the hunt for something to get your man for the holiday, or anyone, honestly, this is not just for the guys, this is for anyone, but they are dedicated towards men's jewelry. So take that in mind, especially when it comes to the sizing, if anything. But yeah, very cool. Check them out. I do, on the other hand, have 2 other boxes of jewelry here. I'm not sure who sent these my way, because within the package, there was literally no card, no nothing at all. There's no branding on the box. I looked inside the boxes to see if there was any type of branding, but there isn't. But there is very cool rings, so we're gonna check these out as well in this video. If I do find out who these rings are from, I will have all their information in the description down below as well, so keep an eye out for that if you want to find out more information about where these are from. But let's check these rings out, guys, because these are super unique. These seem like they might be a stainless type of steel, and there's a beautiful star. Like, that kind of looks like a marine star, not so much a like star from the sky, obviously. But let's see if this, oh, this does fit. Look how cool, like, that is awesome. This, to me, is gonna go great with my Tommy Hilfiger stuff, because Tommy's obviously all about like American things. And yeah, this is gonna be perfect. So that is very sick. We also have an owl ring, and I used to be obsessed with owls, and fun fact, they say it's like very bad luck to purchase anything owl for yourself. I did not know that until I literally bought tons of owl things for myself. And now I wonder like why I have bad luck. So I'm assuming that's probably why. Oh no. Okay, it does not fit on my pointer finger. That was scary, that was scary. This is not for my pointer finger. Oh my God. I'm assuming for my pointer finger, like if I want to put anything on this finger, I'm probably a size 12, because this is definitely an 11, 10, I would say. And doesn't fit the big finger. No, not at all. We have another piece right here, and check out how cool this is. Oh my goodness. That skull with the bunny ears is giving me pure Ariana Grande, right? I am obsessed, and this is so freaking cool. Okay, let's try this on. Ah, oh my God, are you kidding me? That is sick. That is so cool. Dangerous woman vibes right there. I'm obsessed. One more piece in this box, and there's kind of like these little tentacles. I'm gonna put that. Oh no, it doesn't fit. This is, oh, fits the pinky. That is cool. Just little tentacles right there. I'm loving how this is kind of like a brushed stainless steel on all of these pieces. I'm so bummed I don't know who these are from. There's literally nothing at all in the box whatsoever. There's nothing underneath the velvet little insert. Yeah, that is sad. But anywho, I'm very grateful. I'm going to be adding these to my ring collection. I have tons of rings, guys. I have fun with jewelry, and I'm super fluid when it comes to accessories and fashion, and just experimenting and being expressive with myself. If you guys didn't know that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. I talk a lot about men's fashion, skincare, wellness, accessories, things like this, Tommy Hilfiger, you name it. I'm honestly an open book anymore. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Do not forget to check out Otta Silver and use code George25 for 25% off your purchase if you'd like a little discount. Again, Valentine's Day coming up. Accessories are super fun and an easy gift, and definitely personal in my opinion, because everyone has their own style. And you know, if you know your man or your woman and you get them a cool accessory that is like fit to their style, they're gonna be like beyond thankful. So keep that in mind. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.